Hi, Sunny family. We are so happy to have you back. My name is Wendy. I will be your fitness trainer today. So today we are doing a 15-minute mini stepper workout. It's gonna be a burner workout. You're gonna get a really good workout and super fast. It's gonna be so fun. All right, so let's just get started with your warm-up. We're just gonna go leg back, alternating here. Just get a little bit of a quad stretch. We're gonna be working your upper body and your lower body. So a cute full body time today. Alternate legs for a hamstring stretch. Woo, we're tight. Are you tight? Okay. You're like, I can't lift my leg that high. So yes, the answer is yes. Kick up. Nice job. We're gonna go into just a few squats here. In 3, 2, and 1. Lower down, lift up. Ooh, yes, this doesn't have to be fast. Just a few more here, and then we're gonna jump on in 3, 2, and 1. Amazing. All right, grab your handlebars. Jump on to your mini stair stepper. We're gonna start with bicep curls. Just make sure that your feet are parallel. You're gonna be stepping and alternating curls here. Step and curl. Nice. First 30 seconds right here. After this, we're going to be going into a bicep hold and then some hinges. So this is our first circuit that we're going through. You're gonna be doing this for 3 rounds and then we will move on. Nice job. Oh, hello, sexy arms. We're coming at ya. Almost there. We're going for a hold after this. Arms are gonna come to 90 degrees in 3, 2, and 1. Just hold, keep stepping. Get that lower body moving. Nice. Going into hinges after this. What's a hinge, you ask? I'll show you, don't worry. Few more steps. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hinge open and close. So I don't want you to dig your elbows into your side. The weight of this needs to be in your biceps, not because you're pivoting off of your arm, your upper arms into your side. You got it for 5, 4, 3, we're burning now, 2, and 1. Amazing. Release your arms. Let them relax for a second. You're not gonna give up on your legs though, just keep stepping. And step, and step. Nice job. All right, round 2, alternating curls. Yeah, here we go. You got it. So normally the camera's over here, so I'm facing towards you, but you'd want to keep your neck in line, eyes straight forward as you do this on this machine. We're going into a hold next. In 5, keep your chest up, core engaged, 3, 2, and hold, 90 degrees. Pump those legs. Yes. Awesome. If you're really pushing with your legs, you can feel it in your quads. This is a good thing. Going into hinges in 3, 2, and 1. Hinge, here we go. Nice. Yeah. Burning out those arms. Come on. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Arms rest, legs don't. Keep it going. Just gonna reset here. You got 1 more round, alternating bicep curls. Get yourself ready. Woo, and if your feet are moving all around, you can just reposition yourself. Make sure your feet are parallel. And get it going again. Alternate. Here we go. Nice. What are you working towards? Did you have a goal that you set when you came into today? Are you like, I just picked it because it's 15 minutes and I have 15 minutes? We don't know. Maybe you have a goal, maybe you'll think of one right now. If not, if your goal was 15 minutes, then heck yeah, you're gonna get through this. You only have 10 minutes left. Nice job. 3, 2, we're gonna hold in 1. Lift up and hold. Yes. Woo, look at those biceps. We're so proud of ourselves. Oh, I hope you're looking at your biceps too, thinking, I'm so proud of myself. Push through those heels. 3, 2, don't drop your arms. Hinge, here we go. Open, open, nice job. If you wanna up that pace a little bit, you're more than welcome to. Really get your heart rate going. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh my goodness. All right. Next workout you're gonna go into, I like to hold on like the half balls instead of on the handles. So feet are gonna stay stationary for this first one. We're gonna go into bent over rows right here. So I want you to make sure your back is flat, squeezing your shoulder blades together, neck is in line. All right, first exercise, here we go. 30 seconds starts now. Row in. Again, like I said, feet are staying still, knees are soft, glute is engaged. Wow, when have you ever engaged your glute like that? Keep your booty back, back flat, squeeze those shoulder blades, make your back do the work. Row down, almost there. We're gonna go into upright rows next. In 5, 4, 3, keep that neck in line, 2, and 1. Stand up, feet keep going. Lift your elbows high into upright rows. This is for your shoulders. Nice job. Yes, you got this. So these are our first 2 exercises in this circuit. We're gonna step off of the mini stepper after this to do some other lower body. We'll hop back on and repeat. You got 5 more seconds here. Elbows high. Get those shoulders moving. Woo, in 3, 2, and 1. Release. Carefully step off to the side. We're gonna go into alternating curtsy lunges. So take that foot, kick it back, alternate between. Nice job. You got 30 seconds here. We're gonna do a 15-second static squat after this. Static squats are the best because they burn so much and you get a hot little workout really fast and you're like, wow, my legs are on fire, which is incredible. You got 5 seconds and we're gonna hold in 3, 2, and 1. All right, feet planted into a squat position, come down low. You got a full 15 here to just hang out and breathe. You're welcome. What a blessing I gave you to just hang out here. You're like, this is the worst. You hate it. Don't you think like that. You stay in it and you do your job. Your job is to sit low. That's all you're doing right now. 5 seconds, come on. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ah, thank goodness we made it through the first round. Amazing job, go ahead and grab those handles again. We're gonna get right back into it. Deep breath, bending over here into those rows in 3, 2, and here we go. 30 seconds starts now. Now, if this is not enough resistance to you, go ahead and move your hands further down on the ropes to make it a little bit harder. Nice. Engaging your core the whole time, keeping your eyes a little bit forward. You don't want that neck tucked. You got 5, 4, squeeze those shoulder blades, come on. 3, 2, and 1. Blessings, go ahead and stand up. Start stepping. Nice. Chest up again. Working those shoulders. We got strong arms. Settle in here. Got 10 more seconds. Wow, my shoulders burn. I must be doing something right. You know how Muhammad Ali would just like, he wouldn't start counting until it started burning? That's what we're going for. Not really, we're working on time right now, but that's what you could go for in your workouts. 3, 2, and 1, because it really burns. All right, step it off. Here we go, curtsy lunge, 30 seconds. Alternate, drop it low. So sometimes I see with clients, they'll step back like this, and they don't really bend that back leg. I really want you to bend into it. Keep your chest up as you drop down. Nice, abs tight. I know it's hard to be conscious about engaging your core during some of these, but really try to. Nice, you got it. In 3, 2, what? Static squat, here we come, drop down. 15 seconds starts now. Oh, so good to be here with you today. Sometimes my clients will say, I hate you, and all I hear is, I love you, you're amazing. And that's what I'm thinking right now, of you just sitting here being like, I love you, you're amazing, thank you for making me do a static squat. You got it, in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Wow! Amazing job, here we go. Last round, right into it, step it up. You know what we're doing. Choose your resistance, here we go. Feet stay still, row it back. Again, glutes are engaged. Squeeze that bum bum. Keep your abs tight. Breathe through it. Almost there, 10 seconds. Wow, this is the last one of this circuit. Oh my gosh. 3, 2, and 1. Lift it up. Feet start popping. Come on. Deep breath. What is a way that you could be generous to yourself today? You got 5 seconds. Think about it quickly. What could you do to treat yourself kindly today? 3, 2, and 1. Step off. I want to hear it. Go ahead and talk to your screen. Let me hear your ideas. Oh, that's a great idea. Okay, good. I personally take a bath almost every single day. It's my favorite thing in the world, which some people think is ridiculous, but it's a really nice way for me to settle down my day. So maybe there's something like that. Maybe you eat an orange and you're so happy because you ate an orange and that's your favorite food. We don't know. 3, 2, and squat. Whatever that thing might be, I really want you to do it today. Really treat yourself, be kind to yourself, because one of the things is people don't give themselves enough credit. Doing something like this, working out, is actually really hard for a lot of people, so nice job. Not that I totally agree with rewarding yourself with food, come on out of it, but we can do other nice things for ourselves. All right, come on down to the mat. You are on abs now. Thank goodness, we can't even believe it. All right, so go ahead and lay back. We're going to, legs are gonna go long here. We're gonna reach up and clap in between. Nice job. This is your first 30 seconds, alternating between. If you're like, girl, I can't do that, you just reach up here. Release, lift, release, lift. If that's causing any lower back pain, this is where you're gonna be at. Your knees are gonna be bent. If not, lift all the way up. You're almost there. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right into Russian twist. Sit on up, keep your feet elevated, chest up, twisting back and forth. If you have any lower back tension, go ahead and put your heels down, shift your body back, keeping that chest up, and still keep the same movement. If that's still causing you pain, you're just gonna hold here. We're gonna work your abs by holding. Whatever it is, pick your poison. You got 15 more seconds. Nice job. Woo, woo, woo. So good. 5, 4, we got a bear hold after this in 3, 2, and 1. All right, flip on over. So you're gonna go into a bear hold. It looks like this. Shoulders over wrist, hips are right over your knees, tuck your toes, lift up, hold here. You got 15 seconds. We're gonna come into a plank and finish you off today. You're almost there, you got 30 seconds left of your workout, okay? Deep breath. This is actually a very challenging move, so be kind to yourself. If you need to drop in and pop back out, that's okay. 5 seconds, we're gonna go into a plank. I just want you to step your legs back, okay? You're not gonna give your abs a break. In 3, 2, and 1. Legs back, Drop down onto your forearms. Slip on the mat if you're super sweaty like me. Oh, almost there. 10 seconds. Thank goodness we're here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Oh my gosh, can you believe it? We made it. We are so lucky to have been able to work out today. I'm super proud of you, as I always am. I hope to see you back here soon. Go ahead and hop over to a stretch class, and I will see you again tomorrow.